Hey guys, Glen, how are you? Affiliate Profit Pages. This is a brand new look. I'm trying the HD camera. Last time I tried it, we were having some issues with just machine overheating. So we're going to try it again. You get to see more of the office, so that's kind of crazy. All right, this is Supreme Paydays review and walkthrough, tutorial, demo, all that good stuff. So before we get started, make sure you hit the subscribe button down below. Give us a thumbs up, comment, guys. Just drop me a comment. Let me know what you're looking for in bonuses, because I'm always looking for new bonuses to give you. All right, so what is Supreme Paydays? Supreme Paydays is actually a training program. What we're going to do is we're going to go through my. I'm going to show you my bonus page because I put some really cool bonuses together for it because I really like this program, and then we're going to go through the sales page. And we'll go through I think we can go through the OTOs because they're on my bonus page. Okay, so first off, let's switch over to the old bonus page. So first one, I want to give you guys, I'm going to give you 38 of my top producing landing pages. These are for current programs, and these make me money. You can run solo ads or anything to these pages. You can run social media to these pages, whatever you want. You're going to get these. Also, I'm going to give you my 6-figure blueprints checklist. This is exactly what I use to make my business rock. And then I'm going to throw in a bunch of traffic programs, TweetX, which is awesome Twitter Chrome extension, List Lariat, over-the-shoulder training on list building, Cleopatra, this is LinkedIn, this rocks, this is LinkedIn free traffic, Nova, this is TikTok, exactly how to get targeted audience from TikTok, InstaQuick, plus a bunch of really good training, because this is really all about training, guys. But remember, training and of course all the vendor bonuses, some SEO tracking, stuff like that. So Supreme Paydays, this is the sales page, and I'll show you the back office too. Now, what it says, let's look at this. Okay, autopilot push button solution, unlock one-click autopilot buyer traffic that makes us 227 a day in less than 60 minutes. Okay, so let's sort of unpack that. One-click autopilot. So that doesn't mean it's one click to set up the whole system. You guys have to go through the training and you have to set up your system. And what is the system? The system's pretty simple. You need a landing page, right, to collect emails. You need to have a really good high converting offer. So you want something that's going to convert. And he's going to show you exactly how to get that. And then you're going to point traffic at it. Now, there is ways of doing free traffic, but guys, free traffic is the slow way to growth. And really, until you start paying for traffic, you're not going to break out of being broke. You can try all the Facebook stuff, and yes, I've done Facebook and I've gotten sales off Facebook, but that's like working a lot of time, guys. Free traffic is expensive. Free traffic is expensive in the sense of your time. Okay, so yes, if you have all the time in the world, then free traffic, but still you're not going to get you can't get the scalability and the momentum until you buy traffic. So inside, they're going to show you where to buy traffic, who to buy traffic from, that kind of thing, and you can get going. You'll start making your money back right away, guys. Okay, unlock our autopilot Supreme Payday. So once you do have everything set up, it really is one click. Copy and paste, simple setup. And that's true. Click one button to one link to multiple done for you offers, which is true, because you can actually set up rotators and have lots of different offers running from one sort of thing. Then it goes through a lot of stuff in the sales page, the usual sales page stuff. But I just wanted to be clear with you guys. This isn't a one click and you set it all up. It takes some setup. Okay, so let's jump over to the. This is the back office, guys, and it starts out with a watch me video. Basically, it's John giving a sort of introduction, and he's going to give orientation. And then, guys, what I really like about this program is that he doesn't hide anything. He basically gives you exactly, finding the hot offers to promote, building your rotator, building your funnel, integrating your autoresponder, set up your email follow-ups, testing your funnel, getting traffic, converting the traffic, monitor and scale, free traffic method. And then there's some case studies. And the case study is really interesting, guys, because he did a real case study where he actually broke even in his case study. But he showed you that, and let me get back on here. You don't need to see the back office unless you're going to grab it. But so he basically he showed you that from a traffic campaign, and this happens a lot. Let's say you go and spend, you can buy traffic for 45 cents a click, right? Uh, and I recommend, same as he does, Udemy is probably the best place for a beginner to get traffic. So you could start with, go buy 100 clicks, cost you $45, or go buy 200 clicks, it cost you 83, or maybe it's 40 cents a click. I don't know. I think I'm running 200 clicks right now on testing something, and I think it was $83. So okay, I spent $83, right? So I watch over the week and see all the leads that came in there if I make any sales. Generally, I'll make from that first run anywhere from $80 to $160. I'll probably make either make my money back, or I will get a buck for every buck I put in. Or I'll get $2 back for every buck I put in, between a buck and $2, right? Unless I have something really hot that's converting, or I get lucky. But usually that's about it. But now I have those people on my list. And what I do when those people are on my list, I start marketing. They get emails every day. They get a couple of emails every day. They also are introduced to my YouTube channel. They're introduced to my Facebook group. They're introduced to all my different medias where I can actually start getting them, offering them different stuff. So that first run may pay for itself. Sometimes I do a run, I don't get any sales, right? Or maybe just one or two sales and it doesn't cover itself, but it makes up because I'm always building my list. And that is the secret, guys. So I really recommend checking out this training. It's like 13 bucks or something like that. It's really, really, really well worth it. I highly recommend it. I've given you those bonuses that you can run with. Again, those are stuff. But this is the reality of making money online. This is basically, that's what it's all about. Now, if you want to get a discount, remember, when you're on the sales page, let's go back to the sales page, see if I can get it to do it. Let's see if I scroll off here. I think I have to refresh it. It'll just take a second to refresh. And then always, guys, when you're on a sales page, and I want to get a thumbs up for this, if you go to exit the page, it's called the exit intent, right? It usually, let the page load completely. It will usually pop up a discount. Is it going to do it? Still waiting to load. Sorry guys, for some reason whenever I run, and I say this a lot, whenever I run my recording software, it really slows down my internet. I don't know why, but that's just the way it goes for some reason. Oh, look, here it comes. See, wait. Click the button below and get a $5 discount. So that's what you want to do, and then you're going to get all my bonuses, and they will be in the bonus area for you. So hopefully, guys. Oh shoot, was I showing you that? Let me see if I'm. No, I don't think I'm on, guys. Hold on. Let me share my screen. I do that stuff from time to time. Okay, sorry, guys. I'm gonna refresh again. Actually, you know what it is, guys. You know how to do it. I've told you in lots of videos. Go watch my other videos. We're gonna reload the page. If we go to leave the page, it's going to give us a pop-up that gives us a discount. Here it comes. Here it comes, slowly but surely. Wait for it, wait for it. And there you go. Any second now. Sorry. This is just to make the video longer. That's what it is. Oh, it's not going to show up. Anyways, you'll get a $5 coupon off. I'm like, oh, yeah. It's saying wait. It's not responding. All right, so let's jump out of here and come back to here. All right, guys. So that's my Supreme Paydays review demo walkthrough tutorial video. Please give us a thumbs up. Make sure you hit the subscribe button, and I highly recommend going and picking up this program, guys. You will, if you follow the steps in it, you will make money. It's well, I can't guarantee that. I don't know what you will do. You have a really good chance of making money and building a scalable business if you follow all the instructions, because that's what everyone else is doing. Then once you get that going, start adding review videos, start adding blog stuff, and that's when you can really start working on generating the free traffic. Is you have to pay for the traffic first, so that you have some breathing room and you have some income coming in, and then you can spend money on getting people to write articles. If you don't want to write the articles yourself, then you can start spending money on building out your site for you. So hopefully, guys, that is a big thank you, or a big thumbs up for you, and I will see you on the next one. Cheers. Don't hit subscribe. Bye.